Hello everybody, this is part 2, and the cupcakes are almost ready. Ding! Oh, we better get them. And here are my cupcakes I did. And you can put them anywhere you want on your table to make it nice. Now, I put an orange juice in here for, milk. Right there. Now, the cups. Alright, and if you like, you can put on a cloth on your table, and you can do more for your thing with my other videos soon. Then, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.